Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2020 Lincoln Corsair, and I have a helper. We have our store mascot, little Yoda, here today. He didn't have anyone to watch him at the store, so I had to watch him, and I also had to do some pictures and a video of this Lincoln Corsair, so I figured I'd bring him along and he can join in the video and we can figure out what his opinion is too of this Lincoln Corsair. Don't worry, I can translate for Yoda. I speak his language. So let's talk about this beautiful 2020 Corsair. We took this one in on trade for a new Infiniti. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade for new Infinitis. This Lincoln Corsair is no exception. For my research, it looks like the Corsair was a new vehicle for 2020, offering a compact luxury crossover for the Lincoln lineup. This is the smallest crossover SUV you can buy from Lincoln. It's really the perfect size, even though it's small on the outside. On the inside, interior space is not too bad. What do you think of the interior space back there, Yoda? Not too bad? I think, yeah, he says he likes it. Perfect. So great sized vehicle for navigating in an urban and city environment. Still a nice, beautiful, luxurious interior in true Lincoln fashion. Here's the original Maroni. This had an original MSRP of $53,445. Not cheap vehicle indeed when this was brand new for sure. Luckily on the used car side, the pre-owned side, it's a great value. So some of the packages this has the Equipment Group 201A. Looks like that was a $4,150 option group, giving you lots of great features. It looks like you get the Elements package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, rain sensing wipers, windshield wiper de-icer, Lincoln Co-Pilot Plus package. That might be like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assistance, 360-degree camera, active park assist plus, and adaptive cruise control with WTGA. I'm not sure what that stands for. Then we have some other options here. The Iced Mocha Pro Premium Coat was $695 premium color. Then we also have these 19-inch wheels. Has the adaptive suspension, $700. Then we have the technology package, $2,750, and it also looks like we have the remote start system. And of course, we can print you a copy or email you one if you want to peruse this yourself. I think Yoda's definitely digging the Corsair. I don't think he digs the name too much. You know, Corsair sort of pirates back in the day, and you know, pirates weren't very nice people, were they, Yoda? But the name sounds cool, so we'll let it slide. I think Corsair is definitely a better name than MKC, which they used to call this before. Not very creative, but the Corsair has a little bit more of an elegant ring to it. Beautiful upscale interior, nice dark piano finish, heated cooled seats. Everything's well laid out. You have a drive mode selector that will make changes to steering effort, the way the transmission shifts. I love the transmission, very elegant indeed. Kind of reminds me of the old push button starts you'd have on like classic vehicles or push button transmissions. I think like the 1930s Cord, kind of a rare vehicle, kind of obscure, but I think they had a push button transmission kind of like this. And it's really cool. If you ever seen pictures of that Cord, it's a really wild looking vehicle for back in the 1930s. So push buttons, very nice, very straightforward, and then it keeps the dashboard nice and clean. You don't have a shifter, you know, messing up the feng shui of the interior, or one up here. Push button start, nice perforated leather seats. Yoda thinks that they're very comfortable. Looks like it has a Revell audio system. Nice big screen for the navigation system. We have a parking camera as well as an overhead camera. And I love the way it makes you, it gives these little alerts and noises. It even has a very elegant sound to them. Even when you open the door, it creates kind of this nice pleasant sound. Big LCD screen for the gauge cluster. It looks like it's pretty configurable, so you can kind of maybe change the way it looks, pick and choose the information that shows up there. I love the feel of the steering wheel. It's a two-tone design. You have nice buttons and controls. Looks like these light up over here. So lots of control over the vehicle right at your fingertips. Blind spot warning system. Alright, there, and it makes it. I really like. What a nice tone. What a nice, pleasant sound. Better than like beep, 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 or anything like that. Definitely cool on Lincoln's part. What do you think, Yoda? Do you like that nice sound? I think he likes it. Come on, Yoda, let's take a look at this, the rest of this Corsair here. All right, definitely nice on the outside, beautiful curvaceous interior. Good amount of rear seat legroom. It looks like the second row seats are adjustable. I'm 6'2". I had the front seat adjusted for my height. I have plenty of legroom back here. Yoda, you like the interior space? I think he likes it too. All right, come on, Yoda, let's check out the rest of this vehicle. All right, so then we'll open up the power rear liftgate. We could fit your crate, your doggy crate back here, couldn't we, Yoda? And then, of course, if you need more space, the seats fold down for more interior space. And we also have these nice WeatherTech all-season floor mats. All right, come on. Really nice looking design. Especially in the front end. The front end styling is really nice. Kind of follows that same design theme we see throughout the vehicles. What do you think, Yoda? All right, Yoda, look at these really cool headlights, projector headlights. And now let's take a look at the engine. So here we have a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Makes about 250 horsepower, also very fuel efficient. You'll average right around 24 miles per gallon. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Yoda appreciates it too. Hopefully we'll see you in our store very soon. And please don't hesitate at all to contact us. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.